NMB PCS is designed for residential and light commercial lighting control and other utilization equipment. It is a specialized cable type intended for use with LED and fluorescent dimming systems and other smart building technology. It offers optimal control over buildings' lighting systems, such as daylight harvesting, window shade, door actuator, or any application where both power, being 120 volt, and control, being 0 to 10 volt, is necessary at the same location. NMB PCS is rated 600 volt for both exposed and concealed work in normally dry locations. It can be installed anywhere traditional NMB is used. Many jurisdictions are now requiring lighting control to comply with certain environmental considerations. Pull power and control with one simple cable. Encore Wire pioneered size-specific colored NMB. Our new NMB PCS follows the same color scheme, with 14 gauge being white, 12 gauge being yellow, and 10 gauge being orange. Each cable contains one cabled pair of 16 gauge signal wires for 0 to 10 volt automation control. We offer our NMB PCS in sizes 14 gauge through 10 gauge with 2 or 3 conductor configurations. Our round cable design offers an easy to terminate option using standard NMB PCS connectors. Don't remove multiple jackets or worry about stacking cable constructions. Simply peel back the single jacket and then terminate using traditional methods. NMB PCS is constructed with 2 or 3 insulated conductors, twisted together with a bare copper ground and a 0 to 10 volt signal cable. A 30 mil color-coded, flame-retardant and moisture-resistant PVC jacket, or sheathing, is applied over the assembly. With its unique design of power and control in one, it reduces cost by speeding up the installation process. Our NMB PCS can be purchased in coils, on standard reels, and on our self-spinning reel payoff. All of our wire and cable is born in America and raised in Texas. Our expansive single-site campus stretches across 450 acres with over 3 million square feet under roof. This affords us the ability to meet demanding job site requirements, from accelerated delivery needs to custom product specifications and unique colors and sizes. Check with your local Encore Wire rep for more details on how to purchase our NMB PCS.